Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook tuna fish. First, select fresh, high-quality tuna steaks, ideally about 1 inch thick. Pat them thoroughly dry with paper towels. This step is crucial for achieving a beautiful sear. Then, season both sides generously with sea salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a light drizzle of olive oil. This simple preparation enhances the natural flavors of the tuna, getting it ready for the pan. For a perfect pan-seared tuna, heat a heavy-bottomed skillet, ideally cast iron, over medium-high heat until it's smoking hot. Add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, such as avocado or grapeseed oil, ensuring it coats the pan evenly. Carefully place your seasoned tuna steaks in the hot pan. Sear each side for approximately 1 to 2 minutes for a delicious rare to medium-rare finish, creating a beautiful crust while keeping the inside tender. If you prefer grilling, preheat your grill to a medium-high temperature, aiming for around 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure to lightly oil the grill grates before placing the tuna to prevent any sticking. Grill your tuna steaks for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. This timing will give you a lovely medium-rare doneness, with attractive grill marks and a smoky flavor. Adjust cooking time slightly for your preferred level of doneness. Once cooked, it's important to let your tuna rest for a few minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the steak, ensuring a more tender and flavorful bite. When ready to serve, slice the tuna against the grain for optimal tenderness. It pairs wonderfully with fresh lemon wedges, a crisp green salad, or a side of roasted vegetables. Enjoy your perfectly cooked tuna, a healthy and delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.